Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna share with you how I compute my Pag-ibig Mp2 dividend for the year 2022. But before anything else, I just want to share with you how I came up with the 206 pesos dividend for the year 2021. So as you can see, I have a total of 8,100 for the year 2021 total contributions. This is an actual contributions in my virtual Pag-ibig. So, and this is the actual um, dividend in my Pag-ibig portal also. So, how I came up with the 206, let's see. So, um, for computing the Pag-ibig MP2, we have to get um, number one. So step one is you have to get the total contributions in your Pag-ibig MP2. And then for the step two, we have to know the dividend factor each month. Uh, uh, and then we have to know the dividend rate announced by the Pag-ibig. Okay, for the year 2021, the Pag-ibig announced that the dividend rate was 6%. So 6% divided by 100, you have 0.06%. So this is our dividend rate for the year 2021. That's 0.06%. So since we already know the dividend rate, let's see naman on how we can get the dividend factor each and every month. So for each and every month, they have uh, we have a total of 12 months. So if you contributed on January, you have 1% each on January. While on February, you have 11 divided by 12. 11 divided by 12, that's equivalent to 0.91%. Round it off, and you're going to get 0.92%. And this is so for March, how you get the March, it's just like this one. It's 10 divided by 12, and it's equivalent to 0.83%. So guys, I already provided the dividend factor. I just get this one in other YouTube channel who computed the dividend factor, and I just give you the summary for the dividend factor from January to December, and you're just gonna put it here in the dividend factor so that this Excel file will automatically compute the dividend. So for this one, it's formulated. So 1,000 multiplied by the dividend factor and then multiply by the dividend rate, you're gonna get this results. So for this one, if you add this, you're gonna get the 205.98, and rounding it off, you're gonna get 206 pesos for 1 year. So this is your dividend rate given by the Pag-ibig. So 8,100 plus the 205 dividend rate or the 206 dividend rate, you get the a total of 8,305.98 pesos for the year 2021. So as you can see, you have a total of 206 pesos interest for the year 2021. So for the year 2022, I'm going to share with you. So this one we started on January until June. because I have two account nga pala. So, this one is my personal account, and then the other one is salary deducted account. So, iba siya dun sa isa kong account. So, ako yung naguhulog nitong account na to. And then, for the dividend factor, since you already know the dividend factor, I already provided here the dividend factor from January to December. You just put it here so that the Excel file will compute it already. So, the Pag-ibig announced that they will give a 7.03% interest on last 20 on the year 2022. So you have this dividend rate of 0.07%. So if you multiply these three, your contributions per month, the dividend factor, and the dividend rate, you're gonna get this results. So half of the year you have 332.550 pesos as of June. So for the next video, I'm gonna share with you the whole 2022. But for now, I have this one 333 pesos interest per annum. I no, this is half of the year only. So if you put the whole contributions here, this one I'm gonna get, wait, 1,000 here. And for December, we have the 0.08%. For November, this one muna. For July, we have 0.5%. And then, I don't know, that's wrong. 0.58 for June. For July, oh yeah, okay, um 0.42 for August, and September we have 0.30, October we have 0.25, November we have 0.17. Okay, then we'll just copy the dividend rate, and then we're just gonna copy this formula so that we can get the total dividend. So we have the total of 455 pesos for the year 2022. So adding this, we have 12,000 plus 445, and you can get 12,455. So adding this, we're gonna have a total of 8, oh gosh, 8305 plus this one. Oh, no value. Wait. Y 8306 plus 1455. We have the total of, oh gosh, wait. Uh, oh, we have this one. We have 20,000 for 2 years, and you have 706 pesos, um, 706 pesos interest for 2 years. Not bad because the um regular banking can give you the 7 point something interest. So this is for now. If you have any questions, and if you um learn from this one, please give us a thumbs up. And For further clarifications, just let me know in the comment section so that I can answer all your queries regarding on how I compute my dividend for the year 2021 and 2022. Bye guys.